Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to quickly fix this issue. Setup time zone automatically is gray out. If you are facing the same issue, this video is for you. I will show you how to quickly fix this issue. Simply on this screen on Windows 10 on 11, same you need to click on start menu, then click on setting icons and you should able to see your privacy and security option on Windows 10 and 11 both. Scroll down and look for the location option and you need to just turn on the location services, and once you turn it on, just close this, and now you should able to fix this issue easily now. So I have turned on all the services here. Now you can see it has been fixed now. So this is how guys you can fix this issue. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. If your issue is still not resolved, that means that your device may be restricted from your domain controller or other services on your Windows. So thank you. Thanks for watching.